Snoring loudly, stifling sleep is not good. Don't be afraid of snoring. Listen what this master said. Snoring like thunder. Wake up in the middle of the night, dry mouth in the morning, sleepy during the day. Today, I will teach you a method. Anti-snoring white bottle. Spray it on your nasal cavity. Once a night, lubricate the nasal cavity, composed of multiple herbal extracts. Nourish the respiratory tract. Treat snoring problems at home. Class 2 medical device product. If you are still troubled by snoring, why not trust me for once? Take a box home and have a try.